and that's mile 1.6. It's almost 72 in the morning. Not expected. It was supposed to rain in the morning. Doesn't look like it. But it's beautiful here. Around mile 8. It's a flat trail as of now. Looks beautiful. Canal running parallel to the Hennepin Canal right from the beginning. Looks like the entire race is going to be parallel to this canal. The only problem right now, it's too humid. I'm sweating already at mile 9. Need to take care of dehydration. Need to drink lots and lots of water and liquid. That's the plan. So far so good. See you in few miles.
आता मी एडी स्टेशन 7ला आहे. एड स्टेशन 7 आणि इथे हा छोटासा डॅम आहे. हा एड स्टेशनला डॅमचे छोटीशी डोर, खूप जुना डॅम आहे. बहुतेक एड स्टेशनचे डॅमचे डोअर कायमचे ओपन आहेत, ब्रोकन. आणि असंच अजून एक डोअर समोर आहे तिथे, ते पण ओपन आहे त्या छोट्याशा ब्रिजच्या खाली. हे आपलं एड स्टेशन आहे 7. सर्वजण वेट करतात. आदिवेतला इथे यायला अजून अजून 1 तास आहे या एड स्टेशनला यायला. सुंदर आहे, मस्त आहे. Hello guys, I'm still waiting on aid station 7. Still I think half an hour to go. It's drizzling, it's a light drizzle. I don't expect it to last long. And I just set up my small kitchen here. I fixed egg sandwich for myself, just finished it. My lunch is over. Come on Advait, how are you?
Good, good.
Warm वाटतंय, खूप hot वाटतंय, काय वाटतंय?
गरम आहे.
खूप गरम आहे.
Hot.
It's hot.
Hot, more than hot, it's humid.
Okay. Are you on time? You are ahead of time. What do you think?
I think we are ahead.
Ahead? Okay.
7-8 minutes.
7-8 minutes. It's a 2:34.
That also for the fast.
Okay. 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 काय काय घ्यायचं आता इथून? सेम गोष्टी.
No, first I need khichdi, right?
खिचडी आणली
Three is here, right?
आहे.
Okay, I need khichdi.
ओके.
And then I need sangria.
सांगरिया पाहिजे.
But I don't know how we are going to open.
आहे. मी करतो, बघतो, प्रयत्न करतो मी.
But
अजून
दातानी नको.
ओके.
And if you can't open, then coke.
हो, अच्छा. कोक पण आहे. मसाज घ्यायचा का पटकन
तो
कुठला?
coke मला थंड पाहिजे आधी.
हॅलो, आता आम्ही एड स्टेशन 8ला आलेलो आहोत. दिस इज अ एड स्टेशन 8 अँड दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रिटी scenic. द कॅनल इज रनिंग डाऊन. आय एम स्टँडिंग ऑन द ब्रिज राईट हिअर अँड आय थिंक दिस इज 37th mile I believe at this aid station. So yeah, I see some of the runners, they are coming down. So I'm hoping Advait will stop here around another 20 minutes. It is 3:45 right now. Another 20 minutes and then he will be here. So let's see. All the day. Bye bye. station 9 आहे. We are expecting Advait here around 6. Another 1 hour to go. Right now it is 5 o'clock. So I'm expecting him in another 1 hour. Or I don't know, maybe little earlier. I don't know. He is a couple of minutes ahead of slow pace. So if he goes by slow pace, he will be at 6. Otherwise, around 5:45. This is a beautiful location.
तो बोलते नाही
मग असं असेल तर तुला मला घेऊन जायला पाहिजे. हे मी रागवत नाही अशा वेळेला, नंतर रागवी बरं.
Got it. 83.72.
Nice.
16 and odd to go.
You are going good.
Still not 24 hours.
Yeah.
You got it.
Very good.
We'll do it in around 29 hours. If we don't push,
Yeah, looks like it.
we are not going to push.
We don't want to win it, you know.
We just want
Yeah.
to finish. 29,
Nice.
29, 15, 29, 20.
Right. So we are reaching which aid station? 18, I believe.
Rail station, yes,
18. 18. 83.76.
83.76. Aid station is there, so probably 84 it will be by the time we reach aid station.
All right.
Okay, it's almost whole day of running. 23 hours, 47 minutes.
Only few more miles left.
Few? 16.25.
Yeah.
That's not few.
It's few for you.
Now, after
For
doing
me-
84 miles, yes.
For me, it's challenging, but for
We
you,
are
it's
not going
just
to give up.
peanuts. So,
There is no way we will give up now. Lot of.
yeah. We have a big party waiting for us at the end.
Man, there is aid station.
Yeah, I think we are near to the station. All right.